Now let's take a quick look at ambient mode. To get into that, you tap the little picture image on the top right here. Now ambient mode lets you decide whether you want to display wallpaper, dynamic or still for that matter. What it lets you do is display images or other content on the panel when it's not in use for watching television, making it essentially into a wall-mounted piece of art. Let's take a look at some of the options. Samsung's included some special edition options like this light grid that looks like a bunch of fluorescent bulbs turning on and off. Now you can customize this to a crazy degree. So for example, you can make the background color match your walls, you can adjust the brightness or saturation, and you can adjust how often the image changes. There's a useful how-to guide that shows you how to create your own background. So if, for example, you've got some particularly fun wallpaper, you can snap a picture of it and then make your TV match it seamlessly. Using ambient mode, you can even take a picture of your TV on the wall, and then ambient mode will match the background on the screen to it accordingly. To do this, you just use the SmartThings app on your phone.